What makes a book impossible to put down? The suspense, the secrets, the jaw dropping twist at 2 a.m. that makes you whisper, "What did I just read?" That's the power of Frida McFadden, queen of the psychological thriller. In this video, we're diving into the twisty, page turning world of her best books and helping you decide which one will keep you up all night. Frida McFadden isn't your average thriller author. She's a practicing physician specializing in brain injury, and she channels that real life experience into creating deeply psychological, often chilling narratives. Her self published books have become bestsellers thanks to viral word of mouth and mind blowing twists reader cannot stop talking about. Let's start with the book that launched 1,000 TikToks, The Housemaid. Millie, fresh out of prison, takes a job with a wealthy family and nothing is what it seems. The creepy house, the emotionally volatile wife, the secret upstairs. And the twist? Let's just say, no one saw it coming. The sequel, The Housemaid's Secret, takes the tension up a notch, this time with even more deception and danger. Together, these books are like a psychological thriller masterclass. Imagine being snowed in at a remote mountain house only to discover hidden recordings of therapy sessions left behind by the house's former resident, a missing psychiatrist. Never Lies claustrophobic, chilling, and disturbingly intimate. The deeper you go, the more the lies unravel, until the final twist knocks the winds out of you. This one feels straight out of a nightmare. In What D, a medical student wakes up trapped in a psychiatric hospital, and no one believes she doesn't belong there. Twisted timelines, gaslighting, and paranoia blur the lines of what's real and what's imagined. Frida plays with reality here in a terrifyingly smart way. If you like psychological thrillers with medical elements, What D will mess with your head in the best way. The Coworker is office drama turned dark. When a socially awkward employee is found dead, her colleague digs into her life and uncovers secret no one could have predicted. This book explores the mask we wear in professional spaces and the darkness hiding behind normal faces. It's creepy, uncomfortable, and so addictive. If you like slow burn thrillers with explosive endings, this is your pick. Frida's catalog is stacked. A few more standouts include The Long Door. The daughter of a serial killer confronts her past. One by one, her group stranded at a rehab facility with a killer among them. Do Not Disturb. Secrets spill out during a dangerous road trip. Each of these stories has something different: isolation, paranoia, unreliable narrators, but all deliver that signature McFadden punch. So, what's make Frida McFadden so binge worthy? It's her short chapters, cliffhangers, and mind games. You keep flipping pages to find the truth, and when you get there, you realize she's been playing you the whole time. She knows exactly when to drop a twist, how to build suspense, and how to make readers question everything. Her books are like Netflix thrillers, but on paper. If you're new to Frida McFadden, start with The Housemaid. It's her most iconic. If you love locked room type mystery, go with Never Lie. If you crave psychological confusion, What D is your dark rabbit hole. No matter where you begin, one thing's for sure: you won't stop until the final heart pounding page. So, which Frida McFadden book will keep you up all night?